A clear understanding of how you're paid is essential for any sales professional. Spiff delivers transparency right to your fingertips with its real-time commission breakdown feature. This isn't just about showing a total, it's about giving you a granular view of every component that makes up your paycheck as it happens. When you open Spiff, you immediately see your current commission balance updating dynamically. But the real power is in drilling down. Spiff lets you click into any commission payment to see the exact transactions or deals that contributed to that amount. You can see the specific deal value, the applicable commission rate for that tier, and the resulting payout amount, all tied to the deal's status. This breakdown is crucial for trust and planning. If a deal closes today, you see its impact on your commissions instantly, not weeks later during a pay period. If your commission structure involves accelerators or tiers, Spiff clearly labels which rate was applied and why, eliminating guesswork. It can show you the calculation for a single line item, including any deductions, splits, or bonuses related to that specific sale. For example, a complex sale involving multiple products and different rates is displayed as distinct line items, each with its own calculation trail. This immediate access to detailed, verified data means you always know how close you are to hitting your next quota milestone and how much each new deal will add to your income. Spiff's real-time commission breakdown is the ultimate tool for financial clarity in sales.